In this problem, we need to find the volume of a parallelepiped whose adjacent sides are given. So we have here, let's suppose that OA vector that's given by 3i cap minus j cap. We have OB vector j cap plus 2k cap and OC vector, so that's given by I cap plus 5j cap plus 4k cap. Then the area of the parallelepiped will be OB vector dotted with the cross between OA vector and OC vector. So all we have to do is find the scalar triple product between the three concurrent edges concurrent at point O. So this will be simply finding out the determinant, which is a 3 by 3 determinant. Then the first row will have the components of OB vector, so that's simply 0, 1, 2. 0, that's because we do not have the I cap component here. In the second row, we have the components of OA vector, so that will be simply 3, negative 1. We don't have the k cap component, so that's 0. And finally, we have the component of OC vector, so that will be 1, 5, and 4. So what we'll do, we'll expand this determinant about the first row, so that will be, all we have to do is neglect the first row and the first column, and then we are left with the 2 by 2 determinant, negative 1, 0, 5, 4. So its value will be negative 1 times 4, so that's negative 4, minus 5 times 0, so that's 0, minus 1 times, so we have 3 times 4, 12, minus 0, plus 2 times 3 times 5, so that's 15, minus 1 times negative 1, so that's negative 1, so it will be positive 1. Right. So we have 0 times negative 4, so that's 0, minus 1 times 12, so that's negative 12, plus 15 plus 1 is 16, so 16 times 2 gives us 32, and the final result will be 20. So this is the volume of the parallelepiped with the following adjacent sides.